So hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. So as you already know, we have started the new subject in the channel, that is the cyber security. So welcome on that. So in the previous video, we have started the new chapter. So let's move towards the syllabus exactly. Yes. So we have started a new chapter, that is a web application tools. We have studied about the web application, what exactly the web application is, what are the web servers, difference between the web application and the desktop application, what is the definition of the server, how the server works, web application servers, example of the web application servers like a Flipkart and the Amazon and the Google and all this thing. Okay, so now there are the different web application vulnerability scanning tools available into the market, through which you can identify the different vulnerabilities available into the web application servers, like the how many corrupted files over there into the web application servers, what are the all the configurations of the some of the configuration of the servers. Then you can identify the outdated softwares using these tools, um, through which hackers can have some loopholes out onto the servers and can have get into the system and also get the information of the servers, and through which we can like try to hack and down the servers, right? So there are the different so this tools also helpful for the server owners to identify the vulnerabilities available into the server, so that they can fix them, right? For so the first tool we have started, that was the Nikto. we have we have checked the initial uh, basic knowledge of the Nikto is a on open source vulnerability scanning tool available for scanning the web server to identify the vulnerabilities like the outdated softwares and the old configurations and the other things onto the server. So in today's video we will move towards the more practical demo. We will move towards a more practical session and the practical demo, right? So first of all, Nikto can work on the both Linux as well as the Windows. We are currently working on a Windows, so you can download a Nikto from this website. You can search onto the Google Nikto. You will forward to this link, that is cirt.net/Nikto2. So you can search onto the Google, download the Nikto. So also the information about the Wikipedia. Nikto is a free software command line vulnerability scanner that scans the web servers for dangerous files, CGIs, outdated server software and the other problems. It performs a generic and server type specific checks. It also captures and prints any cookies received. The Nikto code itself a free software, but the data files it uses to drive the program are not, right? So it's a open source free vulnerability scanning tool for the web servers. To download the Nikto, to download the Nikto, you have to go to the web servers. To search in the Google. The first link you will open, that is a cirt.net/Nikto2. From that, you can download a zip file. This is a GitHub release. GitHub will provide you the zip file. You have to download the zip file. Once you download the zip file, you have to unzip over here. Yes, I have already downloaded the zip file, that is a Nikto-master. You can go into that. This is a GitHub file, that is what it will have the .github folder. We don't have to get into the GitHub right now. That is a different tools, right, for the version controlling system. So this is a whole software available into here. So now you want to check the performing of the Nikto. So you have to open the CMD, right, and go to the particular path. Yes. So I'm putting this thing aside because I already have tested a Nikto onto the google.com. So let this put this thing aside and open another terminal. Let's move towards this. Yes, you can see currently I'm on this path. Also, let me show you how we can move towards this path. So close this out. Just open this Windows R. Hit the Windows R. Type the CMD and open this. By default, you will be at this location. Now you have to move towards a location where your this folder will be located. What you can do exactly? You can copy this folder path and just drag it over here. Yes, just enter that. You will not be, just you have to copy that, just cd and copy this path over here. And the paste. Yes, we are in this folder now. You can check the details of this with the dir command. It will have all the folders and the files containing in this folder, that is a Nikto-master. Now in the Nikto-master, so currently I am here in this folder in the cmd, right? You can see that the same path I have. You can check that. Yes. Now in this Nikto-master, in the programs, I have this Nikto utility, means the Nikto utility. I can, so I have to move towards this program folder. So to move that, I need to use the cd command to move that, cd/programs. Yes. Now here I can access the Nikto command. Here I can access the Nikto command. So this is the kind of testing, initial testing. You can see the result over here. Yes, this is the result is performed onto the google.com server. Google is more secure. It will not give you the much more information. That is why it is giving the forbidden error, because it is more secure server. It will not give you the information as easy as you can see. But how you can do that? Let me give you the command for that. That is your Nikto command. Yes, this is your command, perl/nikto.pl/-host. This is your host name. Edit and copy. Let's move towards our file. So let us type it out. perl/nikto.pl/host, and here you have to pass your host name. Let's say https www.google.com, right? So here you also have to take care. You also need to take care about this Perl utility. Perl is also a utility to hit the server, so it will be not directly installed onto your system. You have to install it, right? So you have to search onto the Google, download Perl. This is the official website of the perl.org. Perl.org is the official website for downloading the Perl. You can download it for the Perl Linux, macOS, and for the Windows. Just download it. So it can be downloaded for the Windows. So I have Windows, so I have downloaded the Windows. So download the Activate Perl. When you option that, the download the ActiveStat Perl. So download that, install that. It will take some time. Also your data, yes, of course. So once you download that, because this Perl command will not work. If it is not installed on the system, this Perl command will not work. This is necessary to run the Nikto. Yes. So what we are doing, we are just starting the perl.nikto and hitting the server. So the Nikto is started now. Yes, you can see the target IP. It is showing the IP of the Google server name, port number 443, HTTPS, SSL information, ciphers and all that server information. You can see here. It is still scanning. Yes. So here the Google is more safe. We already have scanned the Google. You can see here. We already have scanned the Google, and you can see the output over here. Yes, in the most of the case, it is showing the error or the forbidden, because Google don't allow you to scan everything. Yes, you cannot, because it is much more secure. Yes, this is the command I already have run that. Yes, this is here. When you scan the other servers, you will have if the server are the vulnerable, if they have some defected files or the outdated software or the configuration, it can be showed over here with this Nikto software, right? So yes, this is information from the Google. Yes. So this is the Nikto. To scan, I don't have any particular server so that I can show you the exact the vulnerability. This is the server I was used to get that, but it is currently not working. Yes. Yes. So it is currently down. So this is the kind of Nikto you can check the vulnerabilities available onto the servers, right? So I hope you understand the video. So I will also be sharing the one more YouTube video on this to get the more understanding of the Nikto. So yes, so thank you for watching the video on the cybersecurity, that is web application tools, right? Thank you very much for watching the video. Have a great day. Bye bye.